to make PayPal account under 18. Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how you will be able to make your PayPal account if you are under the age of 18 years. So the purpose of this video is to not spread any misinformation regarding any of the issue that you are facing. So if you are under the 18 years of age, in order to create your PayPal account, you must be at least 18 years old to create your PayPal account, because PayPal account created by minors will be permanently closed. PayPal reserves the right to hold any balance on the account for up to 180 days, and it can also take legal actions if necessary. But in this video, I'm going to show you a way through which you can open your PayPal account even if you are under the 18 years of age. So all you can do is just open the PayPal website, and after that just click on sign up for free. And here just select whether you want to create an individual account or a business account, and simply click on next. Here, in order to create your account, you need to select an email address. So rather than entering your personal email address, I will suggest you to enter your parents' email address or any of your friends who are above the age of 18 years, so that your account will not get closed and you will be able to use the PayPal account without any hassle. So you can enter your parents' email address over here. So just enter their email address right here, and after that click on next, and just follow the on-screen instructions in order to create your PayPal account step by step. And after that your PayPal account will be created even after you are under the age of 18 years old. So I hope I'm able to answer your question regarding whether you will be able to open your PayPal account if you are under the age of 18 years. So this is basically how you will be able to create your PayPal account if you are below the age of 18 years old. I hope you find this video to be helpful. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.